What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to verify your Blum application and your Blum wallet. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, you can see the on button on the bottom. Just go and tap on it. Once you do it, it will redirect you to the on menu. So here you will see the secure crypto option where it says verify. All we have to do is to go and click on it. So here it will ask you for the verification code. For that, I will provide you the code so you don't have to go and watch the video completely. So the code is best project ever. So that's the code. All you have to do is to tap on verify button. Once you do it, you can see that I can claim it. So once you do it, your 250 Blum points will be added. So let's go back to the menu and see that the 250 Blum points have been added to my account. So that is the one way to verify your account. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you find this video knowledgeable, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.